Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Autozone, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked this circuit tester with an LCD screen up at Autozone. I also picked up another one, which will be a different video, from O'Reilly's. Didn't realize that the Autozone I did go to had actually both of the items I picked up in Sure-Built brand, but it is what it is. They were the same price, it don't matter. This item is item number 110267-02 David Bravo. It is a power and ground circuit tester with LCD screen, carbon steel probe for 6 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt systems, provides accurate voltage reading on LCD digital display, tests ground and circuit integrity 6-inch lead wire. It also says on the back, instructions, test circuits with power on. Attach alligator clip to one end and probe to the connection or component. LCD indicates red for positive and green for negative. To check for power, connect alligator clip to ground or metal chassis component. To check for ground, connect alligator clip to positive battery or power source, then probe the connection or component. Also has a caution disclaimer at the bottom: disconnect power before any electrical repairs. Probe portion. Tester is sharp. Handle with care to prevent injury. Always keep tester and cord away from moving objects under the hood. Do not place tester or cord on hot exhaust manifolds. May cause damage to unit. Do not for computer sensor circuits. So this is just a quick little tool haul. I'll do the unboxing on a separate video, and we're going to be utilizing it today as well, amongst everything else that's over here other than these. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.